Welcome back, guys. We're here with another video today. I actually have something a little bit different that you probably weren't expecting, but I got my boy Will here with me and his beautiful bike. I'm gonna go ahead and let him tell you a little bit about it. So Will, how long have you had it?
Been a little over 2 years. I got it in January of 2018. So 2017 Yamaha R6, full Akraprovic exhaust, power commanders. Lowered the bike a little bit. I was having some problems mounting my feet. Fender eliminator kit, integrated tail light, frame sliders, short lever shifter, and brake levers as well.
Awesome. Well, let's not talk too much. Let's just get straight to the action. So Will's actually going to take you for a ride on his R6, and you'll be able to get a nice little exhaust clip of the beautiful Akraprovic exhaust that he has on it too. So let's just get straight to that.
Landing gear. Check. Complimentary peanuts. Check-a-roo. Ready for takeoff!
Alrighty guys, so you got the chance to go ahead and see my boy Will roll through a couple of gears. The next clip that you guys are gonna see is of the exhaust, and stay tuned for that because this thing definitely spits some flames. Hey Will, you want to give them any advice or anything if they're trying to get into the bike life themselves or anything like that?
If you're looking for a sports bike, especially around here in the city, Yamaha R6 is the way to go. There's no need for a 1000. The right tune and the right parts of the bike, you'll be up there with the 1000.
Oh snap, so you heard that. You don't have to spend the extra money, and you still be good if you already have a 600. So, and I'm actually thinking about getting a bike myself. I don't know, I might be in trouble. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the next clip. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, never stop growing. Peace.
Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait.